Hi and welcome back. Let's talk about the best tips and tricks to fix Spotlight crashes after macOS 27 Golden Gate update. Spotlight is one of the most useful features on macOS, allowing you to instantly search for files, folders, apps, emails, settings, and much more from a single search bar. However, after updating to macOS 27 Golden Gate, some users may find that Spotlight crashes as soon as it's opened, closes unexpectedly during a search, freezes, or fails to display any results at all. These issues can make it difficult to access files quickly and disrupt your daily workflow. The good news is that Spotlight crashes are usually caused by temporary system glitches, an incomplete search index, corrupted system caches, or minor issues that can be resolved with a few troubleshooting steps. That said, let's get started. So first you have to launch the system settings app on your Mac, and then you have to head over to Spotlight. After that, you have to click on delete Spotlight search history and confirm the action. Then you have to head over to system settings, general, software update section, and check for the latest update and install it subject to availability. After that, you have to navigate to the app menu located at the top left corner of the screen and choose the restart option to reboot your Mac. And once your Mac has successfully rebooted, bring up the Spotlight using the command plus spacebar keyboard shortcut to check whether or not you have sorted out the problem. I hope you have managed to get a better at the problem, and now the Spotlight has begun to work as usual. In most cases, restarting a Mac, decluttering the Spotlight, and updating the system helps you fix the problem. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.